Okay, day 3. It's been a long day. A lot of travelling, a lot of traffic, and quite a bit done on site as well. It's now looking like a big bath. Mud everywhere. Lots of soil coming out. Still got that part there to do. We have to go down to bedrock. A couple of places there hasn't been any rock. So we now have big holes, which at a lovely expense have to be filled. Believe it or not, that's seawater coming from the water table. So sand over there, mud and sand over there. Still quite a bit needs to be done. So the plan is at the moment to try and put as much mud as we physically can over here, and then sand over the top of that, and at the same time we've also got to raise the levels over there. So from that corner over there all the way along the back has got to be raised by about 2 foot all the way along, and the further you go down the deeper it gets. So we're currently road level here, and in that corner over there we're 3.8 foot lower, and we're about 3 foot lower in that corner there. So we should be able to use a lot of the soil, but I think we find I may be asking the neighbour whether he wants some. So it saves us actually paying to get rid. Today the temporary electrics are meant to be signed off, which I don't think he turned up, but that's Bayesian. We were also meant to have a storage container put there. Again, they didn't turn up. And we were meant to have a porta loop over there, and they didn't turn up. So Bayesian time really is a factual thing. It's not a have a rum and chill out and whatever. It literally is. They just never ever turn up. They're unreal. So the excavator's seen some mileage today. He worked from quarter to 10 until 4 o'clock today. The water's in the floor, waiting to be connected. God knows when they'll turn up. They're in Bayesian time. And the electrics are here. They're meant to be certified and tested. Today's the day. They didn't show up. So welcome to Barbados, everybody.